Sometimes for election victory we have to do compromise. This is not for us only. Long ago it happened when MGR died. And Amma and Janakiyamma were separated and they had two factions that time. After the elections result, Amma took the party and everybody joined together that time. Who all scolded Amma became a minister also in Amma's government. So in politics it happens. There's no permanent friend or permanent enemy in politics. And this is, ADMK is one of our family faction only, no? So happens, something has happened, gone is gone, past is past. We hope for the good. We really pray we should have all together and we should have meet the election and we should get a victory and we want to form our Amma government again. Yeah. Let's wait for what Annan OPS is going to tell, because he has not confirmed anything so far. Without his words, I can't comment on it. Let's wait for us. I mean, I think he'll also tell in a day or two. Let us wait for what he's going to decide. And that will be better. After that, we can tell our opinion. Yeah, ADMK, it's a part of ADMK, only AMMK. We have Amma's flag, we have Amma's name. Amma is the leader of ADMK. MGR and Amma is the leaders of ADMK. So we are a part of it. So now what we want is, we have to win the election. So our leader, Mr. T.D. Dhinakaran, our General Secretary, has decided something. So let us see. He has taken this decision. Hope we'll try for our level best. We work hard. Hope we'll get a big victory in this election. God will help us and Amma will help us. That my leader has to say. Because we have to prepare here after only. I think after he answers all the questions, I think we can talk about it. Thank you.